What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video, and we are over here at my friend Katie's house. There she is, and we are going to be going for a ride along in her 2018 Audi S5. This thing is immaculate. It looks so good. That's a big caliper. It's only a V6?
Yeah.
This carbon fiber is sweet. I love the carbon fiber look.
Yeah, I do too. I like it better than that, like, Fox wood or whatever it's called. The fake wood looking shit.
Oh, yeah. Alcantara is nice. This thing is freaking sweet. What sun?
Yeah, it's glaring.
This interior is so nice. I really can't get over it.
The red makes it look more sporty.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it is the S5.
Yeah.
That's freaking. Sorry, I'm not trying to block it. Oh, these are my favorite turns. Well, it's a heavy car too.
Alright, so you can have your screen on, or you can go through, it has Apple CarPlay and all of that, of course. And you can also just go to just the radio, or you can go to your navigation and map. And to set your navigation and map, you literally flick it up and you just write on this little black thing right here.
You can just write on that?
Yeah, you just write it.
That's
and then you
wild.
can also turn the screen off. You just press this nifty button and there it goes.
It's off. That thing is like basically like all the newer cars have these, and it's like basically just a tablet.
Yeah, it's so cool.
It's like,
but it's not a touch screen. It took me some getting used to.
Yeah, not a touchscreen. I was seeing like videos and pictures of people online like putting actual tablets in their cars for like, yeah, like older cars.
Holy.
Well, boy, she's a ripper. This thing's fun. It is so smooth at 125. At 135, this thing is just floating like a dream. Like, oh my goodness.
It's kind of dangerous sometimes. I look down and I'm like, holy.
It gets going pretty quick.
We're still cruising at 100.
Let's go launch it somewhere. This is the world's worst stretch of highway.
I know, I wanted to floor it in that lane.
Good old Highway 83. This thing pulls. Well, at least I know that this GoPro, oh, look at that thing shaking. That video at 130 is gonna be horrible. it being a Hero 4.
So you can put it in regular drive dynamic, which dynamic is Audi's sport mode, or if you just pull it back, it goes into sport dynamic, and it
Gets louder.
yes.
It opens something up.
And of course you can do the manual where you just push it over and shift yourself.
I feel like I always mess up a transmission whenever I do that.
I know. I like using the paddle shifters. It's got the paddle shifters.
Oh yeah, you do have paddle shifters. I mean, of course it would, but
When you're going around curves, instead of pressing the brake so hard, you can literally just tap your downshift once or twice and it slows you down.
oh yeah, because it switches gears.
We're going up the mountain.
Ooh, this road though.
Yeah. Good thing it's not lowered.
I know.
And put it in different drive modes where it says drive select. If you do the up or down arrow, let's say down, it pulls up the different modes, so you can literally customize it in individual. I haven't tried that yet. Comfort is just like regular car driving, like it loosens everything up.
Yeah, it tightens the suspension and loosens everything.
Auto, I never really feel a difference between auto and comfort. And then dynamic, everything's tighter because it's sport
mode.
which is what I keep it in constantly.
I don't blame you.
And then you can't forget, you got the massaging seats.
Oh, the seats massage.
So on the
How do I do that?
On the side, there's a little circle thing with the lever on the front. Yeah, look. So that's your back arch. You can adjust your back arch. Wait, go again. Yeah, that you can adjust your back arch.
Oh, and there's arrows on it.
Yeah, and then flip the lever up again. You can do your sides, so you can make it hug you.
Huh.
You gotta flip it up one more time. Yeah, right there. Oh, you passed it.
Oh wait,
Yep,
how do I?
Right there. You can adjust the sides, so it puts air in them and it hugs you like a race car seat.
That's sweet.
And then if you flip it up one more time, that's where your massage menu is.
How do I get it to massage?
Flip the lever up again. Yep, now go through that menu. Yep, neat is the best.
Oh
It
my
will
god, it
massage
is
you.
actually massaging my back right now. I have to get one of these cars one day because this is just too much. Like, this thing is awesome. You could live in this thing. I don't know, I wouldn't go that far. But this thing is like, I don't even have words for it.
Dope.
It's dope. Alright guys, now we're at Gravity Hill. If you don't know what this is, you put your car in neutral and it'll push you backwards up the hill. I'm not even kidding. Here we go.
Ah!
Like,
Look, the stop line's gone. I have to steer
we're
us.
literally going backwards up a hill.
Alright, I'm done.
This is my favorite spot.
Now we gotta go back to the stop sign.
I just had to throw that in there since we were driving by this spot. I always have to go here if I'm in the area. Ooh, we almost caught air. We're about to launch it.
I don't want to stop.
120 again. I love cars that can get from 0 to 120 like that instead of what I'm used to in my Honda, well, in my old Honda, when it takes me about 60 miles to get from 0 to 100. It takes forever and it's just so unsafe. These Audis, these Germans really know how to make a car.
What the frick?
Whoa.
Old lady.
Sunday drivers.
That's the good thing about having a fast car.
Get out the way.
I don't even have it on S dynamic, I have it on D dynamic.
It's not even fully up. It's not even in sport mode. What is this? And also guys, this car comes from the factory equipped with a 3-liter turbocharged V6 engine that makes about 354 horsepower, if I'm correct. I might be wrong, so don't hold that to me, but I mean, that's brake horsepower, so that's not actually to the wheels. But either way, this feels like a super quick car. Like, for as big as it is and as heavy as it is, it's a whole lot of fun. That is sweet. This is one of the coolest parts.
Your cell phone is still in the vehicle.
Yeah. And that lights up too. That's freaking cool.
Yeah.
This car is way too bougie for me. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Big thanks to Katie for the ride along in her 2018 Audi S5. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below for more content like this. Goodbye.